Gusii.
Myaka gima umwanchi umulia betaseni kia Ndizi TV niko yaragira Ensa Eyemo ya bono maragoba sinero video boikiranu okoletera amangana maye asenchira yo boikiranu bunabereka guateka kura chingongo chionsi inyechinsi hastinse mochi che mitandao asense ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense meria YouTube na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News asense ya website na bagotonyora witra www.ndizitv.net iritarene Fridah Kerubo na stinsemo chibiorokelio ni gotokobwatanere Joshua Auta chinga kitoroche omoraibuense Dr. William Ruto litkoliarero nigo abakagotarira county ya Kakamega ase ogosiolia chi project na bigo kwene kibuna abamenye bensemeyo ngonyora bali amagenderero na bigo chinga kitoroche ari gukwana kora chinseme hase aberega kubolia obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja gotiga kogosereria serikali ya Kenya kwanza hase okoira na korobekana hase abolire kubwateli chiko libwenete linde koira okwemurungani kwabo nabigo ase ensemende ni gotoroche emerobili aberege kobekwa boya hase chikampuni cheskali hasobo koleri bora chikoba obuya hasomara ibense abagakwene kibuna nigo atuguteirale amadeni ase chikambuni cho nabigo kubolia abalemi kogendera gosimeka emete nabigo magayo kube kubyara omorandia Ezekiel Odero wana nigo aligirie abaigere kurase county ya Nairobi nabigo kwene kibuna komoigera bale ase amamocho aliakageire gokora nabigo chinga kyagendete gotangwa ase getaseni kia abanyanyimo mwancho mulire cyukumanya asoroboti ruabene stokumulikira award ya bugika cyukumanya obokoreri bwaye kurwa ase ntunde ntangani nabigo muna babere bakoerania obogambi goika ase ntunde ya gatatu mwancho mulire toska tonyegera ngoirana ndasegeke Kerubo helinde ngomanye amange Hingo chaka Amayia Ensa Eyemo ni gongo kumanyibuna umuraibuense Dr. William Ruto litkoliarero nigo abakagotarira county ya Kakamega ase abakagosiolya chi project cha magenderero okwana kora chinsemo chiricha malava nigo abakako tuguterale okogoserelia kwa Azimio la Umoja ase abakakwene kipna obocholi nigo bwerete naboigo serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo egendete kwene kyabuna ngoya bale abananchi amagenderero ase chinsemo boigo nigo abagakwene kibuna nachi koli kwegerera abananchi asokwene kibuna ondebwensi taligo chiguturubania omulembe asense ya Kenya.
Hamuwezi kuharibu mali ya wananchi tena. Hamuwezi kuvunja amani tena. Hamuwezi kuharibu biashara ya wananchi tena. Mimi nitahakikisha ya kwamba nitatetea kila mwananchi na haki yake ya kufanya kazi, ya kufanya biashara, ya kuendesha mambo yake. Sijui kama tumeelewana jameni. Tuko pamoja? Kwa sababu hawa watu walikuwa wanasema unga. Saa ile tumeteremusha unga ndio hii imefika 160. Saa hii wamesema hata ukiteremusha unga bado tutaendelea na maandamano. Kumaanisha haikukuwa ni unga walikuwa wanatafuta, ilikuwa ni vizingizio. Njama yao ni kuleta maandamano ndio uchumi ya Kenya iharibike, ndio wananchi wapate na umaskini, ndio wao wafaidike sijui kwa njia gani. And I will not allow them. They will not. And I want to tell my friends, please, for the avoidance of doubt, there will be no demonstration to destroy people's property. There will be no demonstration to cause chaos. There will be no demonstration to stop people from going to work or our children from going to school. That will not happen. The government of Kenya will stand firm to ensure that every Kenyan and their business and their children are secure, because that is why we have a constitution. If you have any issue, follow the law, follow the constitution, respect the institutions that have been created by the constitution. If you have issues with the servers, go to court and go to any other institution. Forget about disturbing ordinary people.
Tinga kecho boigo nigo omorai bwense abagakoenekia obokoleri obuya ase chikampuni chesukari asa abagakoenekibuna obere gakokora amonchiryo okwana nigo boigo aenekibuna otuguteire ale amadeni chikampuni chiyo chiabwate ase abamenyi bensemeyo barachikogendereria kwenyorera obokoleri akorwa ase chikampuni cho boigo omugavana bwe county ya Bungoma Ken Lusaka niga bakakogokera neyo asaba gakobolia abalemi b'emesi kogendera gusimika emesi elinde kwenyorera engere yabo ya kiralituko.
Tuko na kampuni yetu hapa ya Mumias ya mambo ya sukari. Tunaelewana? Kuna watu wanaendesha propaganda ya kwamba hiyo kampuni itauzwa. Itauzwa na nani? Mimi nikiwa wapi? Hawa viongozi wakiwa wapi? Hakuna kampuni hapa inauzwa. Hakuna kampuni inauzwa yoyote katika Kenya. Mimi nataka niwaambie ile mambo ya privatization tumeifutilia mbali. Hatutaki kugombana na wananchi hapa kuhusu ancestral land, sijui shamba ilikuwa ya nani. Shamba itaendelea kuwa ya watu wa Kakamega, ile ya Nzoia itaendelea kuwa ya watu wa Bungoma. Ile kazi lazima tukubaliane, na mimi nilisimama mbele yenu na niliwaahidi, and I intend to keep my commitment and my promise. Mimi niliwaambia hii mambo ya sukari hapa tutaibadilisha. Si ni kweli? Kwanza tumeweka orodha yote ya madeni ya hizi kampuni zetu. Na tuko na deni bilioni 60. Na nimesema hiyo bilioni 60 serikali ya Kenya tutachukua na tutaiondoa katika vitabu ya kampuni zetu za sukari. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Madeni yote tutaweka kando. Tutaenda kupambana na sisi kama serikali vile tutangangana na hizo madeni. Hii kampuni kama ni ya Mumias, kama ni ya Nzoia, kama ni ya kule Soni, kama ni ya Chemelil, kama ni ile ingine, yote miwani tutarudisha kwa wenyewe, kwa wananchi. Alafu sasa tutakubaliana na nyinyi vile hizo kampuni zitaendeshwa. Tunaelewana? Vile imekuwa ikiendeshwa haiwezi kuendelea hivyo.
Privatization ya sugar industries ilikuwa inasumbua hawa watu. Leo hata tukirudi Bungoma, tunarudi tukiwa na kichwa juu na kushukuru kwamba mambo ya privatization umetangaza mwenyewe, ili Nzoia na Mumias na zingine zote zimilikiwe na wananchi wenyewe, na waweze kupata pesa kwa mfuko na tulime miwa na sukari ya kutosha.
Boigo Dr. William Ruto nigo abakako kwanera okogosereria kwa Azimio la Umoja asoko ira na korobekana nonya magega yokoyeria ligori riobosi. Boigo nigo abakako enekibuna nigo ababwatani ba Azimio la Umoja babere bakomorokia amachaya ase abakako enekibuna tibara isanika nonya nabo nigo abakako bagania kobwateli chiko libwenete ilinde kwenyorera oboene bwabo.
Mimi niliwaambia wiki hiyo ingine, nikaita ule mzee wa kitendawili, nikamwambia my brother, wewe wacha hii maandamano. Kama hii maneno yako yote hii unasema, tupeleke bunge, wabunge waangalie kama kuna maneno ya ukweli. Tunaelewana? Sasa ati wamekataa hiyo ya kwenda kuongea kwa amani kwa bunge. Ati wanataka kurudi maandamano. Ati waende wavunje mali ya wananchi. Ati waende waharibu biashara ya wananchi. Mimi nataka niwaambie, mimi ndio commander in chief. Nyinyi mtajua hamujui. Wawache hiyo mchuzi. Wawache hiyo upuzi. Sijui kama tunaelewana bwana. Hakuna mali ya wananchi tena itaharibika. Hakuna biashara ya mwananchi tena itaharibika. Serikali ya Kenya itasimama imara kuhakikisha ya kwamba na kulinda maisha na mali na biashara ya kila mwananchi. Hawa watu wawache mchezo. Si tulimaliza uchaguzi? Ama namna gani watu wa Malava? Si hawa watu ni madharau wanajaribu kunionyesha? Wawache hiyo mchezo. Bwana. No. Hiyo mchezo wawache.
Omo Prime Cabinet Musalia Mudavadi ni gabaga kubolia abamenye bensemo ya Western kugendera gusira serikali ya Kenya Kwanza elinda kwenyorera obukoleri borubu ya kigima boigo nigo abaga kweneke buna omurai bwense nigo agendete gukora amonchirelio ase okweneke buna uchumi ngonchireliere ase ayanekiribuna nige serikali ya Kenya Kwanza eganetie chingaki elinda guikirania emerobelio ao.
Wewe ukipima kabisa, wewe mkabarasa hapa, ukipima na akili ambayo Mungu amekupatia, wachana na akili ya vitabu, ile ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Wewe ukipima kabisa, unafikiri kwamba ati wale jamaa wataweza kutoa Ruto kwa... Mkipima inawezekana kweli? Inawezekana? Kwa hivyo mimi nawaomba kwa unyenyekevu kwamba tukienda mbele 2027 hadi 2032, mimi nataka niwasihi watu wa eneo ya magharibi wote tushikane, tuwe kitu kimoja, tuwe na usemi zaidi kwa serikali ya William Samoei Ruto. Ila muhimu tusimame imara, serikali hii iko hapa na tunataka tutengeneze Kenya yetu. Vile mheshimiwa amesema, kuna madeni, kuna mambo mengi ya kiuchumi ambayo ni lazima rekebishe. Na kurekebisha uchumi sio kama kuwasha taa na kuweka switch na off, on and off. Ni lazima tutekeleze mipango na mikakati kwa muda ambayo nafaa.
Omonogeri bwebunge nene Moses Wetangula nigo abaga kubolia abamenye benseme yo gotanchira na okorobikana likelio nigo babwenete kwimukia egetambukiro na kugenda mugondo ase okwenekimna ngokora bale enchara kolende nigo abaga komochia oyo kabeire omurai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta ase ogosira bali bagendete korobikana ase abaga kumubolia gosika oborayo boborororo nabigo kubwatia chimbaratero cha barai ya bakoro.
Sisi sasa ni kuwaomba vile tulivyo hapa, ndiyo maandamano yetu ya maendeleo. Kesho maandamano yetu ni kwa mashamba, kupanda chakula tulishe wa Kenya na familia zetu. Ile tunawaomba ndugu zetu na Wakenya kwa jumla, kura imekwisha, watu wameanza safari yao. Waluya wanasema even the circumcised son feels pain. Even the circumcised son feels pain. Rais mstaafu anasukuma kiholela holela. President Uhuru, give dignity to the office of the retired president. The same way Mzee Moi did, the same way Mzee Kibaki did, the same way William Ruto will do when he retires. That is a hallowed office. Office ambayo kila mtu akiwa na shida anauliza, we mzee tuambie mambo hapa tunaenda namna gani. Lakini kama wewe unapigia makofi mtu anasufuria kwa kichwa, kweli heshima si itapunguka?
Ogotia nigwa kwaye Francis Ogola nigo gwaba gokorekana emambe ya lero ase amagacha manene a State House ase omurai wense Dr. William Ruto abakago ikirana nabo igokoba kirori ase ogotia nigwoko. Francis Ogola nigo abete kago choda koba a Chief of Defense oyoirete libagari ya Robert Kibochi. Nigo Ogola abagakoli eira ase ogoikirania emirimo yaye ase enchera endonge kolengana nelichiko liaba Kenya.
Do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya and to the President as the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, that I will obey, preserve, protect and defend this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, and that I will protect and uphold the sovereignty, integrity, and dignity of the people of Kenya. that I will diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya without any fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, and other influence. In the exercise of the functions entrusted to me, I will at all times, to the best of my ability, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, people, and Republic of Kenya, and obey all laws, orders, regulations, directions, and instructions concerning Kenya Defence Forces. So help me God.
I, Lieutenant General Jonah Maina Mwangi, Vice Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, I do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya.
Chinga kiechio oboigo nigo moraibense abakagogokera omoyegoyo asabaga kwene kimuna nigo abereka kogokera obokoreri bwaye ogola yesa agachagete kobwatia obokoreri bwaye bunagasoete asensemo yobolindi boigo niga bagakori eira kumosira edinde kwene kimuna ngo ikeraniare emirimo yaye abereka konyora emegia ase serikali.
Let me take this opportunity again to congratulate our new CDF, General Ogola. Congratulations on your appointment and ascension into the high office of CDF in the Republic of Kenya. In considering your appointment, I assessed your background, where you've come from, what you have done, your journey in the military, and I am satisfied that you merit the office. You have my confidence. You have the confidence of the government of Kenya to discharge your responsibilities in your new office. It is my expectation that the professional standard of the Kenyan military will be observed under your leadership. Kenya has a tradition of a military that is professional, that is outstanding, that has integrity, and that serves not just the people of Kenya, but our region.
Omugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo wonaniga bolire omuraibense koerera abakenya emirobelio aberega kobeka elinde kwene kimunango korale amonchulio asensemo ya uchumi okwana nigo atuguteirale enkwana yomuraibense ase abaga kwene kibunatigatige gotamira ekiganje bunanke bwati kibesa nabo igoni gabaga kwene kimunanonya abaraya baitire nigo babere bagukabesa chibesa ase okwene kimuna emirobelio aongo ikiranire asense ya Kenya.
Hata kama ilikuwa ni serikali ya zamani ilichukua, lakini wewe ukipata usukani usikubali deni iwe mzigo ya raia. Tunaambiwa ya kwamba tuna deni ndio kwa sababu bei ya bidhaa zimeenda juu. Na wewe mwenyewe kama mwananchi, saa zile serikali inachukua deni hujaitwa kuulizwa tuchukue. Lakini mzigo ya deni ni kwako. Hiyo swali lazima tuulize. Na ni serikali ambayo iko kwa usukani. Usiniambie mambo ya Uhuru. Uhuru si president. Hata jana mliona kama Uhuru pia anapigwa na tear gas. Kwa sababu ile yake ilikwisha. Wewe ambao uko na usukani, umechukua usukani, usilete mzigo kwa raia. Sasa ukiwa na mtoto Amerikani ama Ulaya ama India, dola moja ambayo ilikuwa shilingi 100 wakati ya Uhuru imeingia karibu shilingi 140. Hiyo ni mzigo, tena ni kwa raia. Bei ya chakula juu, bei ya mafuta juu, bei ya kila kitu iko juu. Sasa serikali isiongee mambo ya deni.
Magega yokobekwa biara kwae omorandia Ezekiel Odero kurwa sigesa simiro ya New Life Prayer Center oyo tangire asigeta sene ky'abanyanyimbo ime ya Mombasa wanonigo aligirie abayigereri kurwa sensemeri ya Nairobi gati yabo Danstan Omari elinde kumwegerera ase amamocho aliyakageire kumubwatirani okwana Omari nigo abagakwene kibuna emebere 15 inse yo mwaka Eyemo yabetege koirwa asengendu kurwa sigesa simerekyo nigo abanyene babete bakurikia oroboti asibitaseni by'abanyanyimbo kolende nigo Ezekiel agendete gutangwa ase goikaritukoria Jumaine asara chikweneki nagendere gutangwa asa matuko 30 gosina chikuigurerwa gwetera ebonda.
In the 1 year and 1 month that the institution has been in existence, a total of around 15 people have died within Pastor Ezekiel's premises. The policy of the church is that only people, if a patient is coming who is very sick for prayers and for miracles, that person will not be allowed in unless accompanied. Once these people die, the family person accompanying them, some of them are brought in buses, they have already died, they are being brought and almost a dead person and pronounced dead. The policy is that those who have died, the family members take them to take that report to the nearest police station. OBs will give the number of all the 15 OBs that the police have. No death has occurred that the police have not been involved. None of those deaths have been reported by the church. It is the family members who bring these people and they take the report, they go and bury their dead. The church has never done. And none from those 15 people that we have said have died there has died out of fasting.
Chikambuni nigo chiaborigwe kwira libagalia bolia bene nabo igo korigereria obolindi nabo igo obocheno ase abakori emirimo okwana omuwaziri Florence Bole kura chinsemo chiri chia Kisumu nigo abagakwene kibuna eserikali yemukiri egetambukiro aso kubwaterana ne chinse chiri chesiko nabo igo kwene kibuna abakenya nkwenyorera bali amabaga yemirimo.
All Kenyans, the workers, the employers, the Kenyan citizens, and even us as government, that we practice safety and health in our places of work. The rate of unemployment is very high. We are aware as a ministry, and I want to promise that we are looking forward to looking for opportunities for Kenyans within Kenya and beyond the borders of Kenya. We want to look for employment opportunities, and we are currently working on the bilateral labor agreements with various countries. We've already done for 7 countries, and we are on course to do even more. And we want to urge anyone who is unemployed to be able to register themselves with the National Employment Authority and also to come forth for those opportunities.
Abanyanyimbo bakubwaterana nabo bisani go bakubeka biara abakagerwa ababere bakorosia ebinyugwa byogotindia asensemo ya Embu okwana omu county commissioner Jack Obor nigo bairabuna ebinyugwa byo nigo byabere bikorosigwa ase omuchi Eyemo ebitali ebikirano nabo igo bitarabwatia amachiko anene kurwa sensemeri ya Kebs kolende nigo abagakorwa egukure getindi gochia ase bali bagendete korosia ebinyegwa asaba gakoeneke buna obonyabi bwa chakire eliogokora bali bakorosia ebinyegwa byogotindi bitali ebikerano.
Pombe mbovu imepatikana kwa boma ya mtu fulani, anatengeneza hizi pombe haramu kwa boma, na ako na stickers, fake stickers ya KRA na hata Kenya Bureau of Standards, na tumepata hapa, na hii ni mfano kwamba hii tabia ama hii practice iko mingi sana hapa Embu. Bwana County Police Commander tangu aanzishe hii operation wiki 2 iliyopita, wamepata pombe mingi sana yale inaitwa counterfeit.
Tumeweza kunasa pombe ambazo ni haramu, na kama vile unavyoona hapa mbele tuko nazo, na hizi pombe zinadhuru watu wetu, na tulianza kitu inaitwa halalai kutoka 16 na mpaka wa leo tumenasa kiasi ya hizi pombe. Kama vile mnaona ya kwamba hawa watu wamehepa kulipa ushuru, kama vile Chairman Eric Abka amesema ya kwamba wamezuia serikali kupata pesa. Hii pombe inadhuru afya. Tunaona ya kwamba inajenga inaongeza uhalifu, kwa sababu mtu akikosa pesa ya kwenda kununua hii pombe Gusii, ataenda aibe mtu mwingine fulani.
Tunasikitika sana kuona ya kuwa kuna pombe haramu ambayo inadhuru maisha ya wakaji wa hapa Embu, na kulingana na ujuzi ule tuko nao, tumeangalia pombe zingine ambazo zinazouzwa hapa ni pombe ambazo si ati ni ushuru tu umekatazwa au hujalipwa, ila tu pia iko na shida kubwa na changamoto kubwa sana kwa afya ya wenye wanayotumia.
Chinsemo nigo chigendete kwenyorera obokonyi bw'endagera kurwasa ababwatani eri gutanga abantu gwesiria obugima bwabo kubwatikana n'enjara. Ekiombe gya USAID asentunde ya kabere asomoroberio olisha jamii nigo kiabagia kwenana obokonyi bw'endagera asensemeri ya Malindi. Kolende niga ababwatani abo baburire serikali kobeka chibesa ensemo ase okweneke buna kerime chando neyo yabereke gwesokya mabantu mbabe bakonyora obokonyi.
This program is very important. Lisha Jamii 1 has had such an impact in our community that even WFP and COCOB and the rest have realized that continuing this program and expanding it will be of great value. Lisha Jamii 2 now, which has been expanded from 18,000 now to 25,260 households, which if you translate into persons, leads me to say that is about 150,000 people, individuals are benefiting from this program. We cannot take that lightly. We do appreciate, especially at a time when we have come from the vagaries of drought that has been there with us for the last 5 years.
This is food that we are providing to the people of Mandera, which is a combination of food and cash. And here I want to take opportunity to thank our great donor, USAID, without whom we could not have been able to provide this support. So this is an emergency response, but I think our work as WP, together with the county government of Mandera, we really want to invest more on resilience building.
On the way to self-resilience and recovery, we need to come up with a bill on disaster risk management, and this is a way to do a structured approach on doing building and disaster preparedness in a more structured and controlled way.
Now, Lisha Jamii Phase 2, which we are using a hybrid approach, we're using a hybrid approach because this is what the people said, and we'll continue to talk to the people and hear what do you say.
Hasorobotirwa bene ewiki yo mwanchu muriede ni gotokumurikira oborai ase wodi ya bweka kurwa sentunde entanga nine ya kabere insi oborai bwaye Charles Nyaguto oyo obetega kuikirania amaganio ase abamenyi kurwa sensemeri kolende nabo iga sentunde ya gatatu maga yo kwereria oborai gochia ase omo MCA Richmond Manani ni gotokumurikira ninkiabereka gwesomya kurwa ase oborai wetana boigo ninki arachigoikerania ase miaka 5 arabe ase oborai mwanchu mulire niongo gotiga noroboti ruru betero kwariganiwa no mulikeito ndemo Steven ase nchira iyo bikerano kwendelia terena Fridah Kerubo kukoganilia oburigerelia obuya.
Bogeka ward ngati ya ward sano chirime bunge ya Kitutu Chache South, ngati yabo Bogusero, Nyatieko, Nyakoe na Kitutu Central.
Safari ya Ndizi chini ya teritoria ya Masemo mpaka nsemo ya Gusii sublocation kutoka nsemo ya Bogeka ward aiga na senka ya omo MCO mutangani weseme ya Bogeka ward mekainde una Charles Nyagoto ndo sangenera mange autebya ndake amange igoro kugambi bwaye kiria gucingana na ndake ngati ebintu kikorangana nere weretere utachorwa sentunde ya gatatu.
Gusii aiga 2011 so kabera Gusii aiga mecha nikobera nkabona era nabanka chikura chikatangaswa anchi alinga achia 2010 netike by election was a by election na politika kile nanywa nkawo lakini 2013 nkawoli ngaita
ase chintunda ibere nyagotabo mu MCO Bogeka nigachoru gwetere kiama kia Orange Democratic Movement ODM.
Andako mheshimiwa ngati ya vinto kibira andako guchendera gwetera sogura ibwao prate ne semyaka ikome kwa lengeime andake ngwa isana giti amagani abantu babogeka.
In fact most kipara kinyingi kikole cyabogeka wodi nje kole nje kigole to nakire ekitali na tiri kinjaro Silvia kabona tigato chiswato tukibeke buya ndindewe na masomo naro balengensi ngateba bikatuga tera n'abarimu bari school to uplift ya masomo ibo
atokonyete sana like atokonyete tank 10,000 liters what want to look at rainwater. During this time the teachers were taking tea, was providing sugar, that is 50 kg of sugar. People, the teachers were really very comfortable doing their work, and because of him, are able to provide with sugar. Unlike now, we don't have such a gesture. Now, to get as our Mrs. School, he was really concerned in the performance of the learners.
Siasa chio mwako eta chiri bwibere na mirongo ebere nebere nigo cyare chintindi asaba ikabanyarite ko mutimo Kinyagoto na ko mochakie gasio mu MCO bono Rickmond Manani.
Chikora nchiage tu Bogeka ward. Ndi entumanyite ano bamite tegeko tabaye. Chikore kero chia kirigade so what. Nabo konyora abantu batagutagiti. Abantu naenda abanene. Batagutagiti. Lakini babwate ekiringa kyabo in the mind why batagutagiti. Abantu abo bayitu bali bandi understand it babwate tu. Babwate natu atebi n'abantu abanene tigatokorega. Diche yayo. Yasaye ngote balinga kiyo muntu ne.
Manje bole bala kuirera masemo wekense meria chabisi chinene chia award ya Bogeka ward nyare kwenda semeria office nyare komanyanda kensemo ya office gati aba bwatani bale nsemeye ebirenge libyabo igoro ya siasa ya Bogeka nereri buna baranyare koba bagototebi weterase umanyi bwao onotende ya masemo bakensemo ime tumanye.
Bogeka is the smallest ward. To me, I feel like for the last 10 years, actually not even in Kisii County. If we go further, I can say the smallest ward in Kenya. It's unfortunate. For the last 10 years, I think to me, I feel like he could have done much. I think that during that time, the first 10 years of revolution, resources was not a problem. Allocation of resources was not a problem. And also we were privileged. Governor was closer to our MCA, of which I feel now should be a plus to him.
koba katika banta batangani bali bachore twinse katiba nya yo mwaka wa 2010 lakini kiliora atezeri bali katiba nya ya inanete mwana wetere kalwo kya ko MCA
tugwakira bali bajikiti katiba ikaje 2010 tugwakira mbia mona sana ekiagera at the end of the day bintu mbia lingi go on the ground kibezi kitia kiri kinyingi twali meri kipara kia koliriki kibasi kia kiri una passeries kia iru abana kia lingi boje kali twali boje huto lakini gesa devolution ya eicha ebintu bingi bigo koruga ida within reach kipara pale jinkia lingi gokoru kionsi pi igo county nyolenga ligokora odingo kora kali ward ya guchmweni kwango kora wale kuserengo kora wale Kuchmanyarongo Koravali, Natikungo Koravali, Kitutu Central. So that was the major aim.
Kera 2013 chikora chakore kana Mheshimiwa Charles Naruta akabua muntu mutangani ase mangana devolution. 2013 2017 na kolete via kolete na really promise ningo during the 2013 campaigns chinta tanya tebikiran. That's why kuna kwa kuwa siasa ya 2017 there was a stiff competition between him na the first runners up.
Boge ka kurumaiga iga na waya kabire ngongu ase siasa senyenjo asense moya magenderero na buntu areko ramagendera inga kiago korwa magendera itarengo number 2 buna bona sense moye kibasa limeta masomo naro musingi bo muntu nabo jibasa lichi ale kurwego tukunga chiaruru limo ase tam lakini twa kumanya kichi kurwego na inde asako kokora magendero boronge asoko magendero telibia omonto abere kirogo etamu chitamu isato inye ase nyenjo abana bande mbarwa bakaba gosoma bono babwato chusi yokora babwate bamaide na kibakora abantu
ingana yao yoko semye wachaso MCA obono kwa sema Bogeka Ward Rickmond Manani nereri
tiga kolegas akonya abantu naende anse itengulia yokurusa nyori na ikirigo chimotu ejera mokonye saidi kuwalirio kuna kulia magana bakoleteki
Mheshimiwa is still working hard to ensure the water issue so much and wa maji to yobugeka is working amaji na to wate marakabire ga bugeka tuwata majale nya liotero ga yandali nyaore na pia tuwata maji akuru kwirendeke gati trying to see amaji igentege tangani ara itabuge karau ndura nago tebe chipe kuchipara all over
narenga kumanya kirinya gotakwe bwata na kerokyo asebono iga
wana iga cia nengo kora niyo kogenda nagenda mugondake narigiririe bintu bya mugundu narigiririe ng'ombe yane mwarora gari narigiririe ne biashara byane birandeire ibine bibita goka ibere gaso goka ni nagenda kanisa muntu byekanisa
ndake ekyo mweli pika abantu babogeka na bakorore siasa naende yoko boy
siasa turi gotebana no ruopi gozitokorwa byokorire kwa mutiga agendera okorata korete kinde kia maana gukobwa waira na wachi gokora those are some of the things
eyuo nere bicha siasa ya Bogeka Ward asomoroberi bene imeandizi TV. Kuripoteri Ndizi TV kurwa Bogeka Kitutu Chache South Kisii County Rietariane Ndemo Steven.